Guys, hello guys, welcome back to my channel at Henry1000. So guys, on this channel we share tips on how to make money online free, and also we give you opportunities on how to browse for free on the internet without having any data bundle on your SIM card. So guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you some 3 or 2 sites that will help you to make some money, either in cryptocurrency, or you can even withdraw to your PayPal and other payment options. So guys, in today's video, the first website which I want to introduce to you is called Rewardly. It's a very great app. So guys, I'll be leaving the link of this platform in the comment section, and also in the description, so you can take it and you just sign up. So guys, over here on this platform you can earn money via offers, watching streams, listening to music, watching clips, and taking quizzes. So guys, we also have bonus points over here, and you can also earn through their referral programs. So guys, let me show you something. Let me show you something over here. So these are some of the offers, and I think depending on where you live it will be different. I'm from Ghana, but I'm using a VPN, so when I switch off the VPN, you see that my offers will not be like this. So guys, as you can see, CPS research and others. So guys, when you click on it, any offer which you want to perform, you just perform it. Then after that, you claim your rewards that has been given to you, and you want to withdraw your money. Guys, you just come back to the withdrawal button over here. As you can see guys, the payment option, we have LTC, which is the Litecoin, PayPal, and BTC, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Visa, Amazon, and Roblox. So guys, these are the payment options. So when you are done and you want to withdraw, you can use one of these payment options. We have gift cards. So guys, this is the first website which I want to show you. So check in the comment section, you see the link to this website. The second website which I want to show you is called Quantiply. Guys, Quantiply. So Quantiply 2 is an earning platform. Over here it helps you to earn through PTC ads and others. So guys, as you can see, this my dashboard. This my dashboard. So guys, this is how Quantiply is. And if you want to earn over here, guys, you have to click on the earn coins at the top over there. As you can see, we have earn coins over here. You just click on the earn coins. So when you click on the earn coins, guys, as you can see, we have many options over here: view PTC ads and others. So guys, the one which you want to perform over here, just perform it. You can even watch videos to earn. So this is called Quantiply. And let me show you one tip over here. This, not everybody knows about this tip, so let me show you guys. So, you have to click on your dashboard. When you click on the dashboard, wait for it to load. And guys, as you can see, we have lucky spin at the top over here. As you can see, we have lucky spin to 8.88 BTC and claim $380,000, and also crypto casino. As you can see, you have to click on the one in the middle. They claim $380,000. You click on it. When you click on it, then you click on claim now. So it will send you to a different page. Over here, you have to verify that you are not a robot. So guys, let's verify, and let me show you something over there. So you click on the box, then guys, boom, as you can see, we are over here. So over here we have some games which you can play to earn BTC. This is all about BTC. You just play these games to earn BTC over here. So guys, let me show you how it works over here.
In this video I'll be making it part 1 and part 2, because over here on YouTube, I'm not allowed to upload a video more than 7 minutes. Yes, so guys, I don't have any option than to make it part 1 and part 2. So please follow and watch the other tips, yes, on how to earn online. And please don't forget to comment if you want us to make video on free browsing. Yeah, so you just comment in the comment section saying free internet. Yeah, so guys, thanks for your support. Peace out.